how to open Netflix account in phone. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll guide you on how you can open up a Netflix account on your phone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to open up a Netflix account from your phone, all you have to do is simply open up your browser. Now you can also use the app, but from the app it will not be possible if you're using iPhone. So I'm just showing you from my browser. Go to netflix.com. Here you can tap the sign in button if you already have an account, but if you don't, then you want to simply make sure to enter the email address from which you would like to create a Netflix account. So let me also go ahead and then enter my email address here. Then I just need to tap the get started button. As I've done that, if I've not yet created, you can see if I've already created before, it'll ask me to actually enter a password. But if I have not, then basically I have to go ahead and then fill in my password details and so on. Now once you choose a password, it will ask you to choose your plan. So you can just tap the next option. You can choose the mobile plan for $299, basic or standard or premium ultra HD plan at only $10. Or you can also choose the mobile plan if you'd like, or the basic plan. Now at the bottom you can see next option. Once you just click the next option, you can choose your payment method such as credit or debit card or PayPal information. So I'm assuming most of you are going to go with credit or debit card. You can select that and then just log in. Tap the start membership button in order to successfully go ahead and then create a Netflix account. And that's it on how you can open a Netflix account on your phone. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.